number. The system knows that you're here. Not legal advice. The one they when I have no A number will not get inspected in the company or no come through the nobody no know say you're there, nobody no know say you're there until you no catch. You no get wall. So you not too somebody no. But understand that when you come through and you weren't inspected, you still can file for asylum. It's just that you'd have to wait for them to issue you a number. And I've helped customers who came across who weren't inspected. For example, some of them were injured on their way across, so you did not, or they didn't go into a detention center, so they never get processed. They didn't get no paper, they didn't get for report on a court, they didn't get no A number. When they get released from the hospital, them just gone and nobody no know say them there. Or if you come through some other way, you weren't injured, but border patrol no know say you're there, you still can file for asylum. You fill out the asylum application, you send it in, and USCIS will issue you a number. They will issue you a number, then you wait for a hearing. Your 150 days, boom, you're ready for file for the work permit and social same way. So there's no difference. It's just that one, them know say you're there, them know your address, they know where to find you. Two, the other one and address, them no know say you're there, they don't know where to find you. And a lot of persons come through and Gration no know see them there, and everybody are focused on citizenship and paper because no for no problem, not you. You know me have to question in general. No for no problem I forget paper and citizenship. No for no come here inspected or uninspected, just rub 10 years and keep it head low and walk your money and go back to your yard. Some we no need for fret about green card and citizenship. Some we no need for just come here come build wealth and we take the wealth and invest elsewhere. Because all in on head don't want to travel on plane, go back to Jamaica. Go back to Jamaica and forget the reason why I run left Jamaica come here. So everybody have a different plan and everybody come here want citizenship and green card. Someone come here uninspected, nobody know so there. You have to catch me in the street for the most of me there. And if you don't get what I say what this, someone will put it to use. Someone will catch me and say I know what I say and want to do. So if me no put the buckle here, so me no know say the buckle there, so when me go find the buckle, let's say catch me in the street and out there do dirt. Make them can pick her up and no run no name and sit on the door there on nothing there. So if you are individual, not just you, everybody is an individual that came here, you weren't inspected, file for asylum same way, you will be assigned a number, not legal advice. 150 days after the date of the receipt notice and the receipt notice, you're eligible for your work permit and social. Between me and Uno, no father no go back on the yard. Fine, and at the end of the day, foreign is not the bed of rose. Over here, say hard me have to work. As a young girl, me I full of bag and luggage. Me have to take filter put on my face as a hot looking young girl. So at the end of the day, someone just need to get on the bank account and social intact. And when they send on the back on the yard and go find some work online, so at least I have the social. So when the company they online, when you go back to Jamaica, I have a social to go through. I have a bank account, you can use it and build some other business. Someone need to file some LLC before they ship out of the country. File some LLC, have the bank yard, get your credit card so you can work the US money online and run a business online. So if they say that woman love at home, but you still can reap the benefit. Someone need to open some Roth IRA over here. Hey, you're not idiot, you know? Come here. Imagine they send 20 story now on. Never see me can share this. Imagine you're there and you've been at work and you're sure say you have a case and it's possible eventually you go home. I made a video about the high heels. High heel. I'm a spike heel. Like how do you sit down and watch me do? You say to a woman that like, oh my high heel savings account. Depends on how much you have in there. See $100 you get every month. Upon the interest, $100 down at Jamaica, whole heap of money, you know. So if you catch one couple thousand in our high savings account over here and you end up get deep, you know. The interest where you get off of that money then and if you go down a yard, go back, go walk, you know, go find someone for live $100 a month time better than not no income. And the more you put in there, the more investment you get. Set up a TikTok over here in case they lock it down or if they don't lock it down and make some money. Have a social, do your tax, you get the tax. There's so many. Listen, I feel like going home are the worst of the worst. If them for send me home tomorrow, I can't break out hungry again. Because no day in America, the skills want to develop over here. If you know you look out on the yard and a plan, you're not supposed to have an issue if they send in the back on the yard. My office number on the page, you know, click